interception point. The defense has been causing a lot of rush shots. Working it around, going inside, and what a trick swallow. Bring that big stuff in here.
Gutter. See, now I know who I am. A lot of people thought I couldn't do this, but I'm here now. I swear I made it off my blocks. Ma, I love you. I tell them, dollars and deals, we did it. If you think I can't do it, listen.
Take a look at me now. I'm from the gutter, but I made it to the top of the world. Nothing holding me down. I told the haters
Nothing's holding me down now.
I made it to the top of the world.
Congratulations, all you fakers. As you see, I graduated. Here's a favor for you haters. Kiss my anus, boy. I made it out the ghetto. I made it out the gutter. But still, I keep it street, and now I'm hot as every summer. They said I couldn't do it, but who are they to call? I started rapping and ending chances of playing ball. And now they doubt it, but young get sprouted above them all. Straight out the Broward County gutter, skipping menopause. No homo, I keep it solo, but I will never fall. Now every call that I get, the money is so involved. 10 stacks of better, it's easy cheddar to hit the mall. I get the money to throw up, so every day I ball.
Take a look at me now. I'm from the gutter, but I made it to the top of the world. Nothing holding me down. I told the haters I would make it. I made it to the top of the world.
Yeah, and yes, I made it, you can't mistake it. I know they hate it. They see my face in them papers next to their rapping favorite. I'm so amazing, I am the one like I'm in the Matrix. And I made it, mama, don't stress your problems, I'ma get us out of. Forget that drama that people holler, just follow God up. And he will leave you right through them problems, I promise, mama. And I swear that till the day I perish, tell him Khaled I will bury every necessary cat who said I wouldn't, homie. Look at me now, yeah, I'm laughing at you non-believers. And screaming gutter while I'm ballin' every fucking season. I used to blast on my CD, me and 450 lady. I used to beg them to listen, but they were not believing. Go!
Take a look at me now. I'm from the gutter, but I made it to the top of the world. Nothing holding me down. I told the haters I would make it. I made it to the top of the world.
Yeah, and as I rap, I create a classic. Who would imagine that I would inherit all the traits to be the greatest on me? The world is mine and everything in it. Let's get the money. See, Tony Montana said it best. Yes, it's quoted truly. So add this song to your list of greatest of classic movies. And I'ma roll the credits just in a second. Just get this message. Shout out to everyone who supported me past or present. And I wanna thank Khaled, cause without them there will be no session. And I wanna thank fam, cause with them, see, they taught me this lesson. And I wanna thank God, cause without them there will be no message. And I wanna thank all of my fans, cause they are a blessing. This will be BET reference. I got my speech ready. Go.
Take a look at me now. I'm from
Take
the
a look
gutter,
at me.
but I
Don't ever let a nigga tell you you can't, my nigga. I got a lot of
made it to the
diamonds on me right now, but
holding me down.
the sight a little blurred. See, I'm Ace Hood. It's never in my mouth. Before I was just that regular nigga. Dollars and deals, I swear I love you, homie. AD, I love you, homie. We gon' do it, my nigga. 4-5, nigga. I'm living, yeah. You can do whatever you wanna do in this world. My nigga Khaled. We the best music. I'm living proof of that, though. He transformed me into the beast, you know today. Ace Hood. All my hood niggas know what it is. Gutter.